Alright, I might be live now. The title should be making a chatbot for chatbot project for chat. Alright, this is it. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is nice. Yes, so I am a newbie at this stuff. I don't know anything. This is my first project. I know a little bit about it. I got my DeepSeek API, and yeah, I'm looking around at this as well. What else? Models and pricing, API guides, reasoning model, not reasoning. I don't want to go to reasoning. Status. Okay, API reference should be here. Chat completion. Does it provide chat.deepseek.com? I want to know. Give me square root of something. God damn. Maybe I'm overcomplicating. Huh. I'm not reading all that, but alright, I'm gonna let it think. I'm not doing anything. Like in the meantime, let's why is this lagging? Is this because of pipewire? Huh? Is this because of pipewire? It has to be. Yes, it was because of pipewire. I'm gonna use something else, I guess. Display capture. It cannot stream. It's good enough. looks good enough. I will. These are the things that I'm not looking into right now. I keep it at the very end, so I'm not, disturbed. Whoa. What? So let's do squared. Did I start with a 2? 2.345. Yeah, it's accurate. Well, god damn, it reasoned pretty well. I'm not gonna see all that, but yeah, it does what it does. So I was looking through a Medium post how it can be done. So from what I know a little bit about transformers, how it works, the embeddings and all, tokenization and all. So I have DeepSeek's API for the LLM. I will use R3 or V3 or something, and for embedding, I might have to get something from Hugging Face. के भन्छ EMBATTING. Okay. What? Gina embedding multilingual static Japanese Gemma. Okay. Let's see the models. Salesforce SRF. Salesforce scored 400. And is Salesforce a good company? What is Salesforce? I have heard this company a lot. Okay, this used to be in US. Okay. United States visa website or something. Yeah, it was there. Code says Lars V2, Core Sage, SRF encoding model. Okay, I don't even know what transformers is. Not this transformers. Transformers provides APIs and tools to easily download and train state-of-art pipeline pre-trained models. Using pre-trained models can reduce carbon footprint and save time and resources required to train models from scratch. These models support common tasks in different modalities such as natural language processing, text classification, named entity recognition, question answering, language modeling, blah 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 blah. Okay. Transformer support framework interoperability between PyTorch, TensorFlow, and JX provide. So it's to locally get the machine into the model and use it from there. I don't want to do it locally. How to do it over something which I'm not entirely sure how to do that, I guess. Okay, so I might need the inference API. Gemma embeddings. Let's just see what it tells me to do. Alright, I'll be using LAN chain. It seems. Okay. What's gonna happen? Okay. So Pinecone is also set up. God damn, it's struggling. It is struggling. Holy shit. Okay, good enough. Sure. Called out in face, nice. Okay. Chains, agents, these are like workers in your factory. Will create a specialized agent that acts as a bridge between LangChain and RAG. It receives user's query from the user chain, transmits it to RAG for information retrieval, and then feeds the retrieved data back to the chain for further processing. So the more I'll talk to an LLM, like with each conversation, it will be using more of the tokens. LangChain empowers you to design prompts that guide the LLM in crafting the most effective response. For example, a prompt might instruct the LLM to provide a succinct answer to the user's question, generate a concise summary of retrieved Wikipedia article. The synergy between RAG's information retrieval capabilities and LangChain's modular structure lays the foundation for constructing a chatbot that leverages the vast and complicated content in a data source in our case PDF to deliver information and create responses to user queries. If you're wondering why we didn't use standard LLM to get answers to specific questions through a chatbot, then you're on the right track. If you're wondering why we didn't, okay. Let's delve into why this approach might not be ideal. Why RAG? The limitations of standard LLM. GPT 3.5 remarkable tools able to generate human-like text. However, when it comes to building chatbot for specialized knowledge domains, they have shortcomings. Open domain limitations. While LLMs have learned a massive amount, they may struggle when presenting questions about very specific topics, such as technical details of a product or the intricacies of company policies. Nice. Handling large documents. Token limits, nice, meaning they can only process a limited amount of text at once. It makes it difficult to use them directly on lengthy documents like research paper or complex manuals. The risk of hallucination. LLMs can sometimes generate responses that are confidentially worded but factually incorrect. Confidently worded but factually incorrect, particularly if the topic is outside the common knowledge they were trained on. This can be misleading for users relying on chatbot as source information source, harnessing your knowledge. Your company likely has a wealth of information in documents, guides, and databases. Standard LLMs don't tap directly into this knowledge. You need a way to channel this information to your chatbot or leverage. Okay. RAG addresses these limitations by focused knowledge. RAG allows you to train your chatbot on a specific knowledge base, such as companies' manuals. Fact-checking, controlled expertise. Setting up your open AI. Okay. We'll use Pinecone to create a vector database. Powerful. Blah blah blah. Generate is free tier. Nice. Okay, so Pinecone is free.
for is a transformer model. In fact, that's what the T stands for. GPT stands for Generative
Pre-trained
Transformer.
Transformer.
So, before there were transformers, models had processed information sequentially, but transformers consider all parts of the input text at the same time. That approach was introduced in the famous paper, Attention is All You Need, which is now a classic in AI literature. And, as described in that article, a key role in the process is played by something called text embeddings, which are basically mathematical representations of words, where similar words are represented in a similar way. The same embedding model is used to encode the original content and also the queries that are entered by our users, so the appropriate links can be made between the two. And in these transformers, the text embeddings are always in the form of a vector, which is a one-dimensional array of numbers, where each number represents a feature or attribute of the text or other data. And that is very different from a relational database that's structured in columns and rows. In a traditional database, we're probably looking for an exact match to our query. But in a vector database, we're only looking to find a result that's most similar to our question, which is done using measures like cosine similarity, for example, or other options. So, we need continuous access to those vectors. Now let's say I'm using OpenAI on Microsoft Azure, for example. Is there a turnkey vector database over there that's already set up to handle all this for me? No, there is not. Instead, Azure offers third-party solutions like Pinecone, for example. Or there are open-source vector databases like Weaviate on Kubernetes. By the way, this video isn't intended to be only about Pinecone. It's really about the category. And there are many competitors now because it's a big deal. Companies like Quadrant, Vespa, Milvus, Weaviate. Here's a list of...
Alright, what I know, I knew about the Chroma database as well. I heard about it, I don't know about it. I've never used it properly to know what it's like, but yeah. I made a small application, I guess, sometime
15
back.
options for that, with pretty good descriptions for each one. But you can see also that Pinecone is pretty hard to overlook there in first position. There are options. One option is to use standalone vector indices like FAIS, which stands for Facebook AI Similarity Search, which is a library that allows us to compare vectors, with very high efficiency, by the way. Here's a video where James Briggs walks through how that works.
Slow.
I'll leave a link to that for you in the comments as well. But that having been said, vector databases definitely offer advantages over the standalone option. Those advantages include an easier process to update data, including real-time updates, better access to metadata, more efficient backup, easier handling of embeddings, which results in lower latency. Plus, there are built-in data security features and access controls. Also, databases are easier to scale, and they can be more robust.
Okay.
And for an enterprise, a big consideration is a reliable back end, because there'll certainly be performance targets and SLAs. And that is one of the reasons that Andreessen gave for investing in Pinecone. By the way, let's not imply that it's either or, indexing versus databases. Vector databases use indexing too. They do that to enable faster searching. Also, vector databases can usually integrate better with other parts of the tech stack, for example, your ETL pipelines. And there'll be API.
What's ETL? Extract, transform, and load. Set of processes that extract data from source, transform it, and loads it into targeted repository. Okay.
That can link to other applications like OpenAI and LangChain and quite a few others. And the result is that some AI tasks can be modeled directly as vector search problems and run right on the vector database without a final model inference step. Examples of tasks like that include product recommendations or ranking for a feed. Lastly, let's not forget to mention serverless architecture. You see, what we talked about until now gets us to something that's accurate and fast and scalable, but also fairly expensive. On the other hand, the serverless option opens the door to strategies that reduce cost in various ways by gaining different kinds of efficiencies. So the cost for serverless will end up being many times lower. And to close this out, here's a list of some of the
I
cost
don't get it.
but also something that architecture, recommendations, or ranking for a feed. Lastly, let's not forget to mention serverless architecture. You see, what we talked about until now gets us to something that's accurate and fast and scalable, but also fairly expensive. On the other hand, the serverless option opens the door to strategies that reduce cost in various ways by gaining different kinds of efficiencies. So the cost for serverless will end up being many times lower. And to close this out, here's a list of some of the AI applications that can be enabled using vector databases like Pinecone.
Damn. Chatbot, sentiment analysis, knowledge-based QA, generate code, healthcare agent, legal discovery, enterprise search, computer vision, ad generation, product recognition, personalized ad/content, fraud and anomaly detection.
Okay then, I hope that was a good answer for what is Pinecone. Thanks.
Pretty good. You'll also need to create an index in Pinecone. An index is like a container that will hold the vector embeddings of your knowledge documents. Use a embedding model like a text encoding ADA2 002, which generates embeddings of size 18. I created an index named PDF Vectorize, but we feel to give it a different name. Remember, we'll use the index name in our code to access and store. Okay, so Pinecone. Where is Pinecone? This should also be over there. And I'm Pinecone. Pinecone IO. Let's sign in with our GitHub. Okay, create an index. Let's use AWS Cloud. PDF Vectorized. Okay, cloud provider. Deletion. What did it use? Fuck it. Okay, we are doing this. Install necessary libraries. I recommend setting a virtual environment center, blah 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 blah. Here's how to install the libraries. Requirements.txt. PyCon client. Sure, let's make a requirements.txt as well. What else? LangChain, PyPDF, Pinecone client. Okay, I would like to I have installed Conda in my system, so I already have a virtual environment running that's Hugging Face. I can even create a new environment for this project. Conda, create name, PDF rag. Sure. I made it create the virtual environment. I'm gonna say yes, and first of all, I don't know why and how, but Beast and Hugging Face, both of these activate at the same time. So I just do this a couple of times and it fucks off, I guess, but it's not happening. Let's just do Conda activate PDF rag. What the fuck? PDF rag. What? I'm good with the already set up environment. I'm not doing anything else. Let's just do something. Let's install the requirements thing. Normal site package is not. Okay, I need a -r thing. Pinecone index name. Shit. Wait up. I'll set it up. Holy shit. The index name will go to the .env folder. Pinecone index name equals this thing, and yeah, it's done. And okay, DeepSeek API key is there, and index name equals os.getEnv. Its name was PDF vectorized. Nope, its name was something else. which I don't remember right now. I should have just copied it. I should have copied it. Nope, I did not. Okay. Pinecone index name, pinecone index name. Okay, let's see if we actually get it. This is my testing area. It's something that I do. Okay, I don't need this. Okay, now let's just do here index name. Good, it's all over there. It is all over there. Data ingestion. Import all libraries and ingest data. Ingest means creating vector database, I guess. Building a stateless RAG chatbot with LangChain. All right. Okay, for embeddings, I need a model from Hugging Face. Turns out we don't need the LLM right now. From Hugging Face Hub, not Hugging Face Hub. Face Hugging Face. Text embedding model. Okay. DEI, text encoding initiative. I can use it for free. Is it free? Is it free? Fuck it, I'm gonna use it in my system only. What's the worst that can happen? Okay, let's just make an ingestion.python. I'm gonna import os. We will be .env from here. Import load.env and from LangChain community documents loaders. Import by PDF loader. Okay, from LangChain text splitters, import OpenAI embeddings. Okay, this is where we use the Hugging Face thing. Lang chain underscore pinecone. I don't have lang chain pinecone, so I'm gonna install lang chain okay. uh uh pinecone lang chain. Let's do this. Chichi. Okay, it's not done yet. Timeout. Index name. Okay. Existing indexes for your pc.list indexes. Pinecone.list index. Fuck it, we don't need this. Pinecone notebooks. From Pinecone import Pinecone and serverless spec langchain Pinecone. Hey, okay, langchain OpenAI. Langchain Pinecone import. There's no module called sure, I'll use it. I'm using Hugging Face embeddings thing. Langchain under pine score. But it's doing something. Why is there no module called pinecone? Langchain underscore pinecone. Pips. Okay, pinecone client is installed. Langchain community should also be there. Langchain community is here, but Langchain pinecone is not found. Oh my god, what happened? Where is it? Maybe it needed a restart, who knows. Yes. Langchain hogging face. What the fuck? कस्तो दिगदार लाग्दो भएको त pips dependency. It's in base. भइगयो नि त okay. Hmm. Uh-huh. Mm. Conda deactivate. Nice. So pip list, I guess. Pip install. Conda install pip. Maybe. Okay. Pip install pinecone. What do I need, Ray? I need all these things. Pip install everything. Command not found by PDF. Right. I can just do pip install -r and requirements.txt. Pip dependency. Not in base. Open AI. PDF rag. Yeah, okay. Conda. यही प्रॉब्लम आएगा था. Nope, nothing is here. Conda not showing. Packages installed via pip. So what the fuck? How to set up Conda environment. Active one is the one with asterisk. Conda install Conda list only will not give me anything. Yes, Conda install Nginx. Why not? What will it do? It's gonna install everything. So if I just do Conda, it should have Nginx. Okay, it has it. Pip install OpenAI. What? O for nothing. OP OpenAI. Okay, it's installing. अनि कहाँ छ त समस्या कहाँ आइरहेछ त ए ओके सो अब चाहिँ pip install -r requirements.txt गरिदिन्छु. This should now get everything from me. Why? I don't know, but China. Okay. कहाँसम्म आयो up to what the fuck? भक्कु नभक्कु के आएको के जा doing everything in base. Ah, goddamn, it works. Could not import sentence transformers Python package. Sentence transformers Python package. Pip install sentence transformers. I'm way up in something that I should not be. OpenAI key, index name. Okay, everything is in my .env file. So this should get me my thing. Damn, it's just yapping right now. Look at the prompt that I gave it. The system message is, you are tour guide with quirky tone who likes to travel and have good time. I want to travel to Nepal. Give me detailed itinerary for Everest Base Camp and Everest Base Camp trek. It's gonna give me everything that it knows. Shit. Acclimatization is key to avoiding altitude sickness. नाम्चे बजार to टेङ बङ्के. Nice. Yeah, this is something I needed. But this we won't need it right now. What we need is, as of now, we need an encoding model. So I'm going to use Hugging Face from LangChain Hugging Face, import embeddings. Okay. I'm not working here. I forgot about that. So we have a thing called sentence transformer here. Sure. Everything will stay the same. Na-na. Everybody's got some time. Everybody's hot someday. Ay. Everything must be alright. Got me. Here's to the ones that we got. It cannot import the sentence transformers package. So, as a good boy that we are gonna try to do sentence transformers installation, but it's already installed. What can be done? Yeah, sure. Let's just have a transformers package installation as well. eBay LangChain. Hey, I'm gonna be using it locally, so I don't need it maybe. Import error. Tokenizer is required for normal functioning, but found tokenizer 21 greater than 20 less than 21. Okay. Get a bit. यस्तो एरर थ्रो हान्नेवाला छ यसले कहाँबाट भइरहेछ यो Python 3 छि कति बेर लाग्यो यति यो सेटअप गर्न पनि यार भइ नै रहेको छैन अझै पनि Is ChatGPT working? Okay. भेक्टर स्टोरबाट पाइनकोन भन्ने मोडल लियो पहिला के थियो पाइनकोन भेक्टर स्टोर भनेर थियो you can use LangChain CLI too okay so embedding वाला पनि चल्यो हैन त त्यसो भने okay good enough I guess यही गर्दिन्छु ग्राउन्ड मलाई lecture notes sure this has 200 pages emulator deep seek so for now let me create a folder यस folder को नाम चाहिँ के राख्ने डेटा राखिदिन्छु हैन अनि यसको नाम चाहिँ machine learning notes छ यसको चाहिँ डेटा स्ल्यास यो गरिदिन्छु अनि I should म डकुमेन्ट नै प्रिन्ट गरिदिन्छु fuck it बेसमा हो छैन conda activate hugging face. Python 3 अनि ingestion.py full screen राखौँ न हैन कम्तीमा. Okay. Any moment now the CPU should start to go crazy. Alright. Sure. So splitting documents into chunks. Splitting documents into chunks. Sure. LangChain अनि text splitter from LangChain text splitters import character text splitter अनि PDF content लोड गरे यसमा चाहिँ अनि अब चाहिँ चङ्कमा डिभाइड गर्न लाग्छ. सो टेक्स्ट स्प्लिटर भनेको चाहिँ क्यारेक्टर टेक्स्ट स्प्लिटर चङ्क साइज हाम्रो चङ्क साइज इज 1000 रे अनि चङ्क ओभरल्याप चाहिँ equals 100. Okay, I know this. चङ्क साइज भनेको चाहिँ हामीले स्प्लिट गर्न लाग्छ पिडिएफको कन्टेन्टलाई चाहिँ. सो हजार क्यारेक्टरको चाहिँ यो बनाउने. अनि चङ्क ओभरल्याप भनेको चाहिँ 100वटा क्यारेक्टरलाई चाहिँ ओभरल्याप गरायो भने इट हेल्प्स टु प्रिजर्भ द कन्टिन्युटी बिट्विन वान लाइक हरेक चङ्कको बिचमा चाहिँ कन्टिन्युटी हुन्छ. फर इक्जाम्पल म घर जाँदै थिएँ, मैले भात खाएँ अनि त्यसपछि झ्याप्प लाएर त्यो एउटा चङ्क भयो र अर्को घर आएर मैले किताब कपी खोलेँ, यो त्यो गरेँ, त्यो होला भनेर होला होइन अर्को चङ्क. सो यो दुईटाको बिचमा त्यति कन्टिन्युटी लाइक त्यो दुईटाको बिचमा कन्टिन्युटी राख्नलाई चाहिँ म घर जाँदै थिएँ, म घर गएँ अनि त्यसपछि अर्को चङ्कमा चाहिँ म घर गएँ, घर गएर मैले यो गरेँ होला, त्यसरी ओभरल्याप गर्न खोजिरहेछ. अनि टेक्स्टमा चाहिँ टेक्स्ट स्प्लिटरले चाहिँ स्प्लिट डकुमेन्ट्स गर्छ अरे. डकुमेन्टलाई स्प्लिट गर्छ अनि टेक्स्ट भनेर आइरहेछ होइन. बेसिकली हामीहरूले ल्याङचेनको टेक्स्ट स्प्लिटरबाट चाहिँ क्यारेक्टर टेक्स्ट स्प्लिटर निकालेर त्यसको चङ्क साइज सर्टेन राख्यौँ. अनि टेक्स्ट इक्वल्स टु टेक्स्ट स्प्लिटर डट स्प्लिट डकुमेन्टलाई स्प्लिट गरिरहेछौँ. अब लेट्स क्रिएट एन एप स्ट्रिङ होइन. क्रिएटेड कतिवटा लेन्थ अफ टेक्स्ट को चाहिँ यतिवटा चङ्क्स भनेर भनेको चाहिँ खोलिहेरौँ. इट्स गोइङ क्रेजी भइरहेछ केही न केही त. chunk size, maximum number of characters in each split chunk. A smaller chunk creates more memory. So यतिवटा chunk बनायो अरे. Nice. Chunk overlap. This specifies the number of characters that overlap between consecutive chunks. OpenAI learning we can to interact with OpenAI's embedding model using OpenAI API key with set okay embedding को लागि चाहिँ यो छ sentence transformers भित्र text and image embedding वाला हो यो चाहिँ from sentence transformers import sentence transformer model equals to sentence transformer भित्र पनि कुन भनेर lang chain मा चाहिँ hugging face भित्र hugging face embeddings भन्ने छ all mini lm ये राख्दिम न त fuck it okay so यसको नाम चाहिँ यो भयो यो मैले उठाएर यसमा राख्दिन्छु so we have our embedding model ready embeddings to create embeddings alright यसमा के what's happening here is this is the sentences means we created chunks over here chunks means text so this contains all the text let's see let's print it only let's print text let's see what we get alright so we get quite a bit of information because it was 222 pages of books so okay we didn't even get what okay so basically we get the thing that we came for alright we get the text right but we don't need to display it we just want to know if the document was split and we need to vectorize the info like the documents that we split back there so we need embeddings and we will be storing it in Pinecone vector store nice okay so we got our environment thingy Pinecone vector store dot from documents Pinecone dot from documents so we what are the documents we're gonna give it the documents and then the embedding model embeddings like it will create the embeddings and then and it will put it in there any arguments Pinecone dot from documents text and embeddings arguments Vector store initialized from documents and embeddings. Okay. Any additional keywords? Index name. Index name is okay. I need the OS is not defined. Define OS. Load the environment things. Pinecone. Index name. I'm gonna use this. Okay. So OS is here. env. So load env. Okay, and what else? I need the index name. So index name is here. Pinecone index name was retrieved. That means I can just say index name and be done with it. Okay, now is this okay? Do we have it now? You can use LangChain CLI to automatically upgrade any inputs. Please see documentation. What happened? It seems to be a bad request. Vector dimension does not match the dimension of index. Okay, sure. I will. Which is it? Should load the things that I want and the PDF as well, and chunking data plus the Hugging Face transformers thing. What does it say now? What happened? Bad request. That means Pinecone is not configured properly, is what I would assume. And so Pinecone get started. Let's do that. Pinecone from LangChain. फ्रम अब त्यही पुरानै कुरो नो मोड्युल नेम पाइन्थ्यो ओके ओपन एआई एम्बेडिङहरू बनाइरहेछ किन यसले introduction and getting started ल्याङ्चेनमा जाम अब यो चलिरहेको छैन हैन पाइनकोनमै जाम न त ओके यो डाइरेक्ट आइरहेछ यो वाला पाइनकोन लिइरहेछ क्या अहिले It's lagging. Why is it lagging? Bad response. Vector dimension 334 does not match the dimension of index 1024 details. What does it mean? I don't understand. I don't understand at all. All I know, loving you is a singing. 400 भनेको चाहिँ एक्सेस गर्न नपाएकै त हो त हैन सो ए भइरहेछ एकछिन, मतलब vector dimension 334 does not match the dimension of index 1024. That means यसको 334 डाइमेन्सन्स कसरी छ? भेक्टर डाइमेन्सन यति चाहिँ कसरी आयो त नि? उफ, 92%. Okay. Ensure the embeddings you generate example using model sentence transformers or open embedding. You can check should print if you're so sample embedding embeddings.embed query मा चाहिँ मेरो 1000 समथिङ वटा आउनु पर्यो. embeddings dot embed documents. सबै चङ्कहरू बनाएको छ. sample embedding to 27 फेरि पनि initialized an embedding model. sample encoding equals to embed document गर्न मिल्ला छैन pinecone dot from documents pine मिलिरहेको छैन सेन्टेन्स ट्रान्सफर्मर भयो चाहिँ pinecone API exception bad request content type content length यति keep the dimension does not match the vector dimension 384 भन्ने vector dimension आइराछ अरे it does not match the dimension of index 1024 so मैले index यति भएको रेकर्ड छैन नि त एक्चुअली यतिकै हेरौँ के हुँदो रहेछ हैन त pinecone API के छ यहाँ Damn, I gotta go take a shit error चाहिँ Damn, I gotta go take a shit error चाहिँ Yeah pinecone गयो गरे index भयो index dot upsert then write vectors into namespace in your index. You can use namespaces to have speed up queries and comply with multi-tendency requirements. Query namespace. Yeah. Okay, अब यसलाई लिएर त्यहाँ राख्नै आइरहेको छैन मलाई pinecone vector store dot from documents index name यो भयो हैन यो नभएर के अरु तरिका छ कि maybe from documents is not a top level attribute so यसो गरौँ न त vector stores मा जान्छु भेक्टर स्टोर्स इन ल्याङ चेनमा जान्छु अनि म चाहिँ यहाँबाट साला सुरुमा किन आउँछ त नि यो ग्राफ भेक्टर स्टोर रे कुन एपिआई हो ओके पाइनकोन भेक्टर स्टोर ल्याङ चेन पाइनकोन भन्ने ओके यतिसम्म चाहिँ गर्नै पर्छ क्या हो Before initializing, let's connect to Pinecone index if one named index. Okay. So okay. यसो गरौँ न त लोड एनबी भइहाल्यो पाइनकोन क्रेडेन्सियल्स यहाँ ल्याऊँ हैन अनि पाइनकोन एपिआई कि यहाँ आइहाल्यो यो भन्ने भइहाल्यो अनि इन्डेक्स नेम भन्ने चाहिँ इन्डेक्स नेम पनि छ हाम्रो नभए हैन इन्डेक्स नेम अझै पनि छ यसलाई पनि तलै राखिदिन्छु हैन त इन्डेक्स नेम पनि आयो पाइनकोनको एपिआई की पनि आयो इन्डेक्स पनि आयो पीसी इक्वल्स टु पाइनकोन भनेर पनि आयो गेट पास यो परेन पहिलेदेखि छ आउँछ अनि what else इन्डेक्स नेम पनि आयो पनि चाहिएन अनि इनिशियलाइज गर्नु पर्यो रे इफ नट इन्डेक्स नेम इन पीसी डट लिस्ट इन्डेक्स गरिदिन्छु नि त हैन pc dot list indexes भन्ने फंक्सनलाई कल गर्यो भने चाहिँ we get indexesमा चाहिँ नेममा pdf vectorized भनेर छ ओके यसो गरौँ न त fuck it यसलाई मेट्रिक कोसाइन नै भइहाल्यो रिजन चाहिँ युएस इस्ट नै गर्नुपर्छ ओके अनि इन्डेक्स नेम इक्वल्स इन्डेक्स नेम इफ नट इन्डेक्स नेममा चाहिँ existing indexes. Index info बाट index underscore info यो indexes भित्र index पर्दैन होला पहिलेदेखि छ भनेर भन्छ सायद त्यस्तै के already exists in the new VDB dimensions कतिको बनाउन भनेको थियो equals to index name खै PC भनेर छ PC मा छ सो from documents भन्ने छैन index name यही आइसक्यो $384 दुईवटा छ नि त के ल्याइरहेछ यत्रो obviously 1 GB bravely almost साढे राम सब CPU मा चल्ला रहेछ चिप्पादे